see yourself as the next Jane Goodall? Are you fascinated by animal behavior? Do you have a passion for biology and psychology? Would you enjoy doing fieldwork and research? If you have said yes to these questions, then the occupation of animal behaviorist might be for you. Animal behaviorists study the way in which animals behave. They try to determine what causes certain types of behavior and what factors can encourage behavior change. Animal behaviorists work in a wide variety of fields, such as zoos, academic research, universities, and animal training. Some work at companies that make pet products. Others work in private practice, helping pet owners to understand and care for their animals. Animal behaviorists apply the principles of animal behavioral science to the study of how animals interact with each other and their environment. They research the species' instinctual behavior, how they learn, their methods of communication, and the psychology behind group interactions. Most animal behaviorists focus on a particular type of animal, such as birds, horses, wild animals, livestock, or household pets. There are numerous specializations in this occupation. An animal behavioral ecologist focuses on how animal behavior is linked to the environmental and social conditions. An ethologist studies the interaction between learned and instinctual behaviors in an animal's natural environment and within social groups. A veterinary behaviorist is a veterinarian who treats animals for medically based behavioral issues. They often focus on pinpointing medical problems that lead to behavioral issues. An applied animal behaviorist evaluates and treats animal behavior problems, primarily working with pets in their home environments. To resolve issues, the behaviorist may suggest various forms of treatment, including conditioning, behavior modification, and training. Some animal behaviorists are employed by biology or psychology departments. They teach, supervise lab activities, as well as conduct and publish their own high-level research. They often collaborate with other researchers. They may undertake field trips to observe animals in the wild, if relevant to their studies. Zoos may employ animal behaviorists to conduct research and to serve as zoo curators. They are also involved in designing appropriate environments for animals, monitoring behavior, developing educational displays, and speaking to the public about this topic. A degree in zoology or related subject is required for this occupation. Although there may be some employment options with a bachelor's degree, animal behaviorists typically need to obtain a master's or doctoral degree. In academia and research, most animal behaviorists will have worked as research assistants before progressing to the occupation of animal behaviorist and undertaking their own research. The career paths for animal behaviorists vary significantly, and further progression depends on the area of specialization. International opportunities may arise for those whose expertise is globally recognized. For those who want to become an applied animal behaviorist, a recognized qualification in pet behavior is required. Most of these are accredited by international applied animal behaviorist organizations. Most applied animal or pet behaviorists are self-employed.